Okay, so hello momsies, popsies, and of course mga kaguro, and to all the students out there, hello. So welcome again to our video tutorial. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to make a class using Google Classroom. Now if you're new to this channel, please consider me subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So first, we need to open our Google account. Okay, here, open ko lang po ang aking account sa Gmail, of course. Now, if you have personal or deep email, you can use that one. So, here, this one, click nyo lang po itong square dyan. Then, click Classroom. Okay. Make sure also you have the data of your students with your teachers or co-teachers. So here, meron na po akong mga classroom na nagawa, but for this section, and gagawa na po ako ng iba. Okay, new. So for philosophy. Okay. So I'm going to click this one, the plus sign. Okay, when you are going to click plus sign here, lalabas po itong join class and create class. Since we will create, so click this one, create class. So ito po ang lalabas. Of course, you need to check that one and continue. So ito na po ang ating fill upan. Okay, so class name. So I'll put Teacher Grace. Class. Okay, section. So, lalagyan ko lang po ng grade 12 or G12 basketry. So, basketry. Basketball and room duvet. Okay. So, after you fill in this one, you need to click create. So, ayan. Yun na po. Okay. So, ito na po siya. Lumabas na po ang ating section. Teacher Grace class basketry. Now, this one, by the way, ito po, nakikita nyo po, ito po yung class code natin. So, if you want to invite your student or your co-teachers na pareho po ng subject ninyo, you can do that one by sending this po sa kanila. No? And pwede pong i-invite nyo rin din po sila. Okay, now, you can also select theme. Pwede nyo yung design, you can. So, dito lang po ninyo gagawin yan. So, if you have theme or if you have photo na download nyo na or nagawa nyo na na-save nyo sa inyong computer, you can just upload, click upload. But if you want to choose a theme, okay, wait lang po. Okay, if you want to choose a theme, select theme lang po. And as I've said, wag po kayong matakot mag-explore, no? Okay. Well, natututo po tayo. Okay, we will choose this one or this one since may yellow. Okay, and select class theme. Ayan. So, let's wait for it. Dito na po nag-load na po siya. Changing theme. Ayan. So, let's wait for it. Ayan po. So, na-change na po ang ating theme for our philosophy class. Dito po sa ibabaw, merong stream, classwork, people, and marks. So, makikita po ng ating mga student kung ano pong nangyari sa ating class. But, as I've said, you can control. Still, you can control. Okay, dito po tayo sa classwork. Explore po muna tayo. Okay, dito po tayo sa classwork. Okay. So, you can create. Example, you will give them assignment or give them questions or organize classwork into your modules. So, dito lang po kayo mag-click. So, example, you will click create. So, ayan, dito po, assignment, quiz, ayan, nandito po lahat na malilink nyo po sa inyong student. And the link, of course, ibibigay rin or makikita yan ng mga student. Now, here, people, ayan. So, So, sa people po, dito po natin makikita kung sino po yung mga student natin. And here, meron po ditong invite student or give them the class code. Yung pong pinakita ko sa inyo kanina sa ating profile. Okay, so if you are going to invite student, you can. Okay, just ask their email address or give the link automatically para hindi na po kayo mag one-on-one pa ng type. Kasi ilalagay nyo dito yung email ad nila. So, example, for now, you will have, most of us only have 25 students or 20. So, ayan. So, kung mas madali po sa kanila na ibigay yung code, pwedeng-pwede po. And also, as I've said earlier, you can invite also your co-teachers na pareho po ng subject nyo. Okay? So, still, ganun din po ang process. So, konti lang man yung kasamahan mo na pareho kayo ng subject. So, you can type the email address automatically. Okay. So, next, let's go to marks. Okay. Sa marks, so since your class doesn't have any students yet, wala pa po tayong mga na-invite. Okay. So, ito po ang laman ng ating Google Classroom. Okay po? Okay, let's go back lang po sa ating class. Okay. So, ayan. Okay. So, ganito lang po ka-easy kung paano po mag-create ng class sa Google Classroom. Okay, so I hope may natutunan po, and if you consider this video tutorial helpful for you, please do not forget to like, and if you want to share with your co-teachers na alam nyo po na makakatulong din po sa kanila, please do so, and I'm happy for that, and I'm happy to make another video tutorial para po sa ating mga kaguruan, and of course to our learners. And please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated po kayo sa ating mga video tutorial. So again, spread love and positivity, sulong edukalidad, and God bless everyone. Keep safe. Thank you so much.